Okay, so the weekend has started. Mom and I are gonna go on a Dallas tour. We're doing the JFK Dine and Walking Tour with Food Tours of America. So what it is, it's probably about like a 3-4 hour long tour of Dallas. We'll start with the JFK Memorial Plaza, and then we'll go to the courthouse, Dealey Plaza, the motorcade route where he was assassinated, so we'll see that. And then later on we'll hop on the DART, we'll go to Uptown for lunch. So it's just like a full-on Dallas tour of sites and everything, and I'll bring you guys along. So just in case, if you're not from Dallas and you want to know things to do, well, you can go on this tour. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure I'll do a blog post on it later. But yeah, it's actually pretty cold. Hopefully it doesn't rain. That's what I'm wearing. Little boots. I busted out the boots for this. It's like 60s, so boots it is.
Up north, and he came looking for the cattle Indians. The Indians were long gone. They found the Great Trinity River, which is a bit of a joke. It's no wider than the road we want to cross, but it does flood to biblical proportions. Did a nice job. It is Richardsonian Romanesque, which is a very popular architecture. Very massive and masculine. There's two kinds of Victorian buildings which are picturesque and sublime picturesque. I came back to Dallas for obvious reasons. Jacqueline has never been back as far as we know. But she made one request. She wanted the city of Dallas to build memorials for fallen husbands. It must be done by Philip Johnson, a family-friendly great architect of the day. He approved the design. It was installed. This was downtown buildings on both. It looks like it floats, and it's very uplifting, even though it's a massive building, very uplifting as Kennedy was. Other than his adultery came back before the 100th anniversary of John F. Kennedy's assassination 2 years ago. They had a symposium, and they asked the question that Kennedy's all this stuff.
This reminds me, this is very much like Chicago, all Chicago bathrooms and things.
Oh, really?
I
like that.
Yeah. I mean, not that exact pattern, but the same.
Make sure that you show me going there and get some maps. Map on this side shows downtown. And we are in the west end, kind of right, Dealey Plaza right here. This is downtown Dallas. We're going to ultimately jump onto the DART train and go out all the way to the West Village out here for lunch.
Cool.
This shows downtown Dallas. And the other side is the larger Dallas-Fort Worth area. And
We just took a picture right there, the big D. Those little signs are everywhere in Dallas. But right now we're at the Old Red Museum. I don't know any facts because I was taking pictures, but you did tell us, so I'll just insert that before or after this clip.
these are this is one of the, represents the original windows. They're called lunettes. They're lunar like the moon. And they were all removed in the 1960s. So, Lee Harvey Oswald, the assassin we know, was apprehended by the Dallas police, meaning at the Dallas City Hall, about 2 miles from us. He transferred from Dallas jail. That's the Boxing Gun Center on top. That's the front. So, the best shot is coming straight forward or coming around at every turn with police cars. It chose not to take the best shot possible because, in many opinions, there was second gunman down the way. They wanted to get him in the middle. So instead of hitting him right, boom, he waited, and the shots were greater than the
So he was shot in between there?
No, down the hill.
Ah,
So he was
okay.
saying that, you know, logically he should have taken the shot right here, but
Gosh.
that's what
I realized
that house right here.
the building of the Red Roof is railroad. They were 2 railroad employees that couldn't come to the motorcade. They were stuck at work. They were in those 3 windows that looked at this way. And they saw the second gunman behind the door.
He kind of bends over and he does this and it's not there.
Guys do not condone the X's, it's just they keep putting it back. They try to move it, they keep putting it back. So, Oh, they do in the middle of the night.
Oh, okay.
They keep like little
The first bullet that hit JFK happened right there. The assassin was in that window. First bullet went through his neck. And then the second bullet
Abraham's intruder.
happened right there.
Right here.
Did he die here?
Well, he died at the hospital after they did the last rites, but for all practical purposes,
This was it.
the wound was so severe. Oh my God.
So this is a piece of the speech that JFK was supposed to give, but he got killed before he was going to give the speech, so they put this like a part of the speech here.
There's not a lot of big timber in North Texas. Sister Building Street. Then we're going to go on the only subway in the big city of Texas. There's like a 10-story building.
We're done with the history part of the tour. We went to the Old Red Museum. We saw where JFK was shot and the assassination and all that, and our guide was super awesome and he told us all about that. And now we are on to the food tour. You guys, I didn't even know that this was a food tour. Obviously I didn't read the details, but yeah, so we're in Uptown Dallas right now. Our first stop is at the Rustic. It's this like kind of like country western place. So yeah, we're gonna go to 4 restaurants. Like, I'm excited. I thought lunch was just like a little snack, but no, I'm about to be like really full.
This guy's got a function. He's a meat smoker. Put the brisket back in the belly of the beast, and the smoke comes out of his nose.
Oh.
Where did you go vegan eating wise?
I love that.
Okay, some appetizers came out. This is bread with some type of dip. Empanadas. It has trees on it, so not vegan, but the cactus fritters are. Just got finished eating our little appetizer. We're 100% sure that the bread had butter on it because our stomach hurts. So here's on to the next place. There's supposed to be drinks at the next place. So at least that's vegan-ish. So as I said, we're going to our second place now. It's called Babouche. I think it's Mediterranean, so you should be able to eat there. And they also have drinks. That's like, I'm so excited for it. I'm more excited for the drinks than I am the food. Because we can drink. We can't eat, but we can drink, right, Mom?
Chocolate. We have shops and restaurants, bars on the first floor. There's 120 shops and restaurants in this area, but another 100, 120 more up the street. So it's very much entertainment. So welcome. This is Babouche. This is Mediterranean. It's a fusion between two cultures, Lebanese and Moroccan. This has got the best pedigree of any of the restaurants we're going to go to. It opened in 2011. Is the best restaurant in the city of Dallas. Considering it's not a barbecue place or a Mexican restaurant, because all the points up, it's very high quality food. We're going to have 3 spreads and dips, and then chicken shawarma.
Okay, we are at this Mediterranean place called Babouche. So we're tasting some dips. There's a hummus one, tomato, and I don't know what that one is. Okay, next up we got falafel, a grape leaf, and some pickled veggies. And we got drinks. Everyone's saying that this is really strong. It is. It like burned my throat, but here we go. I'm sweating from the drink, but it was good. Drink was good. Mom, did you have the same thing?
Yes.
Did you have the same thing?
I did, but your mom didn't finish it.
Oh, Mom.
She's telling on me.
Just saying.
I can't.
Party foul. Party foul. I'm just over here eating pita. I shouldn't be eating bread. I'm on this diet, as you guys know. But I'm drinking. I'm walking everywhere. And I already had my cheat day yesterday. I guess this is what we're doing. The more I drink, the more I don't care. The weatherman lied to us. Told us it was gonna be warm, but it's pretty cool surviving with my boots and my long sleeve. Oh, we got a visitor.
I took a picture, and my friend Jen would be like, oh my gosh. Good one, guys. Thank you.
Founded in 1840, trains came in 1871. This is very old. It was out in the middle of the country when it was built. So it was in my historic preservation office in the mid-1990s. An old gentleman comes up and says, I own the Ahab Bowen house. I'm terminally ill, and my family's going to tear it down when I'm gone. Yeah. With his permission, we did the City of Dallas landmark designation, protecting from demolition and alteration, and he said they'll find all about it in my will. Thank you very much.
I just got help. Thank you.
We got margaritas, we had chips. Mom and I got vegan tacos, and what'd you guys have? Street taco with corn, right?
Corn relish.
And what? Elote. Oh, we're walking. Alright, so we just finished up tacos and tequila. We had margaritas. Mom and I had vegan tacos, but everyone else had like this beef taco. But now we're walking. We're gonna walk to Eureka, which is probably like half a mile away. That would be stop number 3. Being vegan, we eat a lot. Yeah, it was kind of spicy, but it was kind of sweet too.
Yes.
I don't know if it wasn't a mole, but it was like a
Sweet taste.
I'm starting to get hot. I'm starting to sweat on my nose.
I think it's that.
This is our last stop. Fig marmalade on a delicious burger. There's bacon, porterhouse mustard, goat cheese, all kinds of good stuff. And we'll take that stuff off with the people, especially meal something for you guys also.
Okay.
He's in, well, we're in St. Louis, but he is in.
Okay, beef burger, vegan burger with sweet potato fries, and we got the Moscow Mule.
The macaroons, you're going to get samples of our Tahitian vanilla, chocolate hazelnut pistachio, raspberry salted caramel, lemon, coffee, toasted coconut passion, and tiramisu. They also have some excellent French roast coffee. They have iced coffee.
We're so tired. I need a nap. Our tour guide was fantastic. We've been to so many places. Hi! We are so stuffed.
Yes. Stop. Cut it off. Stop. I said.
Wait.
I don't know.
You don't know? Why you take your glasses off? Take your glasses off.
You need a nap?
We need a nap.
I want to be like the little baby in that book. Look at him, girl. This is so
Oh, I don't want to turn around because that's creepy. We didn't get macaroons because they're not vegan. But we're pretty full anyway, so it didn't really matter.
She was 2. I've had a boyfriend here or there, but like